and sorrows grow, no thorns infest the ground. He comes to make his blessings flow.